Hey guys, it's me Anirban and back here with another brand new video on my channel. In this video, I will be doing the full detailed review of the Samsung Galaxy M11 smartphone. Actually, I have skipped the unboxing part because it is more or less similar and there is not very much difference anything or something like that, and so I have skipped the unboxing part. And also it was a very much requested video from many of you because many of you were asking to make a review video on a smartphone which is under 10,000 and Samsung, and also the brand maybe Samsung or any other smartphone. So I decided to make this video, that is the M11 smartphone. It is under rupees 10,000 and it is a very much budget friendly smartphone as well. And so just sit back, relax, grab a cup of coffee, and without wasting any more time, let's get started. With the Samsung Galaxy M11, Samsung introduces a 5000 mAh battery along with an S AMOLED display for the first time in this particular price segment. This comes along with a triple camera setup. As you can see, it got enough power to last the day and night. Take pictures that will surprise everyone. With the 8 megapixel f2.0 front camera, take great pictures day and night. Use live focus feature to highlight yourself as well. The Infinity O display offers uninterrupted screen space and makes watching videos, gaming and multitasking full-on fun. It also comes with an Infinity O display that is a 16.24 cm, that is 6.4 inches HD plus display, and also a screen to body ratio of 88.02%. Also it comes with Dolby Atmos. When it comes to Samsung smartphones, we all know that the display quality of Samsung smartphones are very good. When it comes to camera quality also, they also provide you with a very powerful camera setup. And here as well, you will also get a very good camera setup too as well, and also the picture quality is very good as compared to the other devices available in the market right now under 10k. And also you will be provided with the headphone jack as well, which is luckily a very good option for those people who love that headphone jack. This device also comes with the Android 10 out of the box, but after that you can also upgrade it as well. The Samsung Galaxy M11 also comes with two additional features too as well. You will also get a fingerprint scanner as well at the back side of this device, as you can see, and also we will be getting a face unlock feature. And we most of the time we see that the face unlock feature is not available whenever it comes to those devices which comes under 10,000, but here Samsung has not compromised with it. They have also provided you the face unlock feature too as well. This Samsung Galaxy M11 comes in 3 different color variants. As you can see that mine one is black in color, and you also get 2 other more color choices. The first one is the metallic blue and the second one is the violet, and also you will get this black color too as well. Samsung hasn't compromised with the battery performance of this device as well. It comes with the 5000 mAh lithium-ion battery inside it, which can give you a video watch time that is a non-stop up to 20 hours. And also it comes with a 15 watt of fast C-type fast charging. Also it comes with a triple camera setup, as you can see, which consists of a depth camera that is 2 megapixel, a main camera that consists of 13 megapixel, and a ultra wide camera which is of 5 megapixel, and you can shoot a 115-degree ultra wide angle photos as well. Also it comes with a 8 megapixel front camera which allows you to take pictures, that is live focus features to highlight yourself as well. This device also comes with the SDM450 processor inside it, and also octa core 1.8 GHz processor inside it. it comes in two different types of variants. That is, one you will get a 3 GB RAM and 32 GB of storage space, and another one you will get a 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage space, which can, both of them can be later on extended to 512 GB using any normal SD card. And here you will also get the speakers. The speakers are also very much loud and crystal clear too as well, and they are capable of providing you a rich quality sound experience. If you are thinking of buying this device for gaming purpose or in doing all those high-end stuffs like that, then you shouldn't go for this device, because although it comes with the 4 GB RAM and also it comes with 1.8 GHz of processor inside it, but still Samsung phones are not designed for all those gaming purposes or high-end stuffs like that, and so you shouldn't buy this device if you are thinking of buying a good gaming device or something like that. But if you are a normal user and if you do all those regular stuffs and all those things like that, like watching YouTube or all those things, or doing all those low end stuffs on all those things, then you can definitely go for this device, because it is not that particular gaming device in that sense. At last, the most important thing is that should you go for this device or not. So basically, if you have a very low budget, that is around or under 10k, that is under 10,000, then you can surely go for this device, because it will definitely make your job done, and also it is not that much of powerful or high-end device as compared to the other devices out in the market right now. But still you can definitely go for this device because it has a good camera setup. Also it has a very good processor inside it, and so if you are a normal user like me, then you can definitely go for this device, as it is definitely worth buying. Okay, so as I have told you earlier that I have skipped the unboxing part as it is more or less similar, but let me tell you what are the items that you will be getting inside this box after you purchase one for yourself. The first one that you will be getting inside the box is the data cable. After that you will also get a 15 watt of fast charger, which will fast charge your device. That is, your device consists of 5000 mAh lithium-ion battery inside it, and so this 15 watt fast charger will charge it in no time. And also you will also be getting the ejection pin as well to remove that SIM card slot, as we all know, to insert our SIM, and also you will get some user manual too as well.
So hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video and found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button and share this video with all those people whom you know who are thinking of buying this kind of budget friendly smartphones for themselves. And thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next one.